Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. For those who are wondering why my studio looks different, well, this is not my studio, this is not my home. I am actually traveling in a hotel at Wardha, Maharashtra in a conference. But that didn't stop me from making this video because of a question that I got really many times in the comment section, that especially for the new contributors who have just started contributing their Shutterstock, who have submitted their first batch of photos in Shutterstock, that whenever they are going into the reviewed section, reviewed items, they are seeing the displayed reviewed items will be displayed for 21 days. Now they are going mad and they are asking me that, sir, whether the files that I have submitted, whether the files that have been approved will remain for sale for only 3 weeks, and whether Shutterstock will delete them or not. Well, for those who are regular stock contributor, this video will make you laugh, but trust me, this question even tricked my mind when I was starting new in Shutterstock. So let me answer you guys very quickly. No, Shutterstock will never delete your files. The files that are approved go permanently into their sales server, alright, the server which actually your portfolio, where your files will be remaining till the website is taken down, and I don't see that coming in next 10 years. So until you decide to delete your images using the catalog manager, your photos will never be deleted. So whether it is your photos or your vector files or graphic designs, videos, whatever, it's permanent, alright. Shutterstock will never delete them. However, you know what, Shutterstock has got different servers for reviewers and different server for their customers. So first, when you submit your photos, they go into the review servers. So once they are done reviewing, if approved, they move those photos from the review server. They make a copy from review servers to the sales server, and they will clear the review server after 21 days. It means if a photo is rejected or approved today, you can check the status of this approved or rejected photo for the next 3 weeks. But if approved, that a copy of that photo is already in the server for sale in your portfolio permanently. There are websites like, for example, Deposit Photos, which don't do this. And even if, for example, I started contributing in Deposit Photos more than a year back, so even if in today's date I can check the status of the first rejected file, it is still there. But Shutterstock has got such a huge traffic and huge load that they only keep the files, the review status of the files, for 3 weeks, and then they completely delete the photos. So guys, don't get scared. Start contributing more and more and more. Grow your portfolio, and then you will sell your files easily. I just mentioned you can delete your photos. For those who are wondering how you can delete those photos, you need to actually use the catalog manager menu. I have made a video regarding that. When you need to delete your photo, suppose you are actually clicking a photo 1 year back, you are not a good photographer. Now you are. Now you know what you need to do. You need to frame the pictures properly. So if your photos are rejected due to similar images submitted, then you can actually delete your previous file and resubmit the new file. But I will tell you one thing. Do not delete a photo that has already been sold, alright. One sale actually moves your photos to a much higher rank. So if you delete a photo, if you are thinking that fine, this photo is selling a lot, I can submit better, so let me delete this photo and let me resubmit the same picture with a better image quality, don't do that. Now those who watch my videos regularly, they know it's time for quote of the day. If you have watched this video till now, please type censor in the comment section. So for the beginners, if you have liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It will help my channel a lot. Make sure you subscribe, because I have made detailed videos regarding stock photography, regarding how you can get started your account, regarding how to fill up the tax form. All those videos are already there in my playlist, so please check them. Make sure you hit the bell because you want to get notified every time I make a new video for you guys. This is Dr. Arindam. I'm a medical doctor and I love taking photos and I love sharing this information with you guys. So please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins, because my motto here is to build a strong community of stock photographers. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Bye, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.